Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to go to bassproshops.com. So first you want to go to Google, and if you don't know how to get here, please refer to my first video. You want to type in BASS space PRO space SHOP, and I want to reiterate that you want to click on this button right here, Google search. This button is the one you want to click. So you want to click this button in order to get to where you want to go. So let's click it. We'll click the button. Now you see a sponsored link up here and then a regular link. My best bet is to go with the regular link. I want to click on that. Click no. Sorry. Go back. Click yes. And there you go. Hope this helps.